Toilet repair, Chula Vista. Unexpected toilet issues disrupting your day? Whether the bowl water keeps rising, the tank won't stop refilling, or a stubborn clog refuses to clear, our toilet repair, Chula Vista specialists restore smooth, worry-free performance fast. From hidden drain blockages and faulty flush mechanisms to cracked seals and constant running water, Emergency Plumber Chula Vista delivers precise diagnostics and reliable repairs using clean, modern methods that protect your home. Warning signs like gurgling sounds, lingering odors, repeated clogs, or water pooling around the base are all alerts your system needs attention. And our licensed team responds quickly with transparent communication and long-lasting solutions. Call Emergency Plumber Chula Vista at 619-703-0861 or visit www.emergencyplumberchulavista.com. Your trusted choice for fast, dependable toilet repair in Chula Vista.